pandemic forever changed life here in America. One disturbing change is that more Americans are struggling with maintaining their mental health. And reporter Teresa DiPriolo says that has many self-medicating.
I can tell you that the problem is escalating, and we've never seen so many people seeking treatment.
It's one of the biggest issues post-pandemic, the rate of Americans struggling to cope with an underlying mental health issue, then masking the issue with drugs, alcohol, pills, overeating, and other kinds of obsessive behaviors. Dawn Johnson is with the Indiana Center for Recovery in South Bend, Indiana.
So I work in an inpatient unit. We detox patients off of all substances of abuse, alcohol, benzos, opioids. And the numbers don't surprise me at all.
Excessive and obsessive behaviors are nothing new, but it seems the pandemic exacerbated them.
When people started to isolate, then that started to escalate, perhaps the awareness of we're really not okay.
Here in New York, Dr. Harris Straightner, a licensed psychologist and clinical associate professor of psychology at Mount Sinai, sees marijuana as a big problem.
Self-medicating behavior is very, very common. And now we're seeing a lot of it, particularly in Manhattan, using marijuana.
For some, masking the issue, it's a deliberate choice. For others, they began by smoking or drinking, and the issue has compounded, covering an issue they didn't know they had until they attempted to detox.
Alcohol is a central nervous system depressant. So it's kind of ironic. You might feel depressed or dysthymic, low level of depression, and as a result, you're drinking and you're adding to your depression.
There are early warning signs that you or someone you love may be struggling with mental illness, eating or sleeping too much or too little, pulling away from people and routine, feeling numb like nothing matters, yelling or fighting with family and friends, inability to perform daily tasks, having the same persistent thoughts and memories. If these sound familiar, please reach out for help. There's absolutely no shame in asking for help.